Hello, everybody. I'm Will Tagle, Dean of Wisdom School of Graduate Study at and within Ubiquity University. And today we're exploring neuroscience and ecofields in a world of complexity so that we can not only survive but thrive as we swim through the turbulent waves. And welcome today Jim Hickman, who is a founder of Ubiquity University and our lead faculty member in this course. So welcome, Jim.
Thank you, Will. And thank you for your interest in our course, the Neuroscience Ecofield Experience. I'm speaking to you today from the foothills of the Andes Mountains in Bolivia, where for about 10 years I've been studying neuroscience and exploring contemplative practice in an attempt to improve the quality of life for myself, my family, and interested seekers like you. I will draw on these studies for the course Will and I will teach from April 4th to May 13th. Our course will meet online twice a week, Mondays and Fridays, in a combined intellectual and personal practice learning experience that can make you more effective and more comfortable in an increasingly complex and globalized world. The intellectual component of the course will include an overview of the history of neuroscience, its current insights and discoveries, our emerging understanding of the ecofield science, and how to apply these insights for successful living amidst increasing hypercomplexity. Some of these insights may surprise you. For example, did you know that the reality we see is not the reality that actually exists outside the mind's imagination? Or memories are not real and not very accurate. In fact, each time they're recalled, they're slightly changed. Or even a single neuron, a brain cell, has qualities of consciousness that we usually attribute to an entire human being. Or pleasure is one of the most important sensations for maintaining physical health, emotional balance, and success in any of life's pursuits. Integrating these and other insights into our practice sessions will demonstrate how a neuroscience and ecofield-inspired set of interior exercises can assist us in dealing with the unpredictability that accompanies hypercomplexity. These practices are built on a foundation of mindfulness and include kindness, empathy, compassion, gratitude, and the experience of happiness. With our guest faculty, we'll introduce you to an integration of new and old forms of practice that can build a 21st century civilization based on creativity, collaborative problem solving, altruism, kindness, and gratitude, all innate human qualities waiting to lead us into a happier and more forgiving world. Will, could you introduce our viewers a bit more into the ecofield science and its impact on our lives?
Okay, so imagine that I have radiating out of my skull and my heart and my body a nervous system that is searching to connect with everything around me, which is what we're discovering in the newer neuroscience. And here I have the plant from my summer garden that is now finished and found its way to the compost pile. But you see how this ball from this plant, some scientists are now suggesting that the brain of the plant is in the ball, in the root system, and there's soil there so that the plant is interacting deeply with the nervous system of the soil as well. So there's a whole system. And then as I hold this close, you see my own potential from my own neural system begins to interact and create a common eco field from my inner eco field to this joining together with everything around me, but particularly with plants, animals, and other living creatures. So we're going to explore experientially and scientifically and intellectually, we're going to explore how to escape the narcissism of our day. That is, to escape this being captured inside ourselves, to move into the nervous system of the whole planet. It's going to be a glorious journey. I can tell you that, because Jim is the guide that can lead us into some of these levels of happiness and gratitude and joy that are so, let's say, foreign to mainstream culture.
Thank you. Well, and as you say, we're going to explore these areas primarily through our introduction of a variety of practices in our Friday sessions. So we invite all of you to really join us then. For a more detailed description of the course, you can go to www.wisdomuniversity.org, click on Program Calendar, select Syllabus under the Neuroscience Ecofield Experience. We hope to see you all on April 4th, when all of us dive into a new world of possibilities and practice.